Tell y'all Sporty J. Bro, my bad for the last video. My defense. What the volume on? But you're in there. Bro, TV turn on. Let me check. No, there's no volume. But it was on. It was on, but of course for the fifth regular season. Bro, why did I say one restart? When did I ever restart? Oh yeah, that one time. I accidentally clicked simulation. Well, it's time for the team. Well, Raiders having a good season. MVP kind of 100 yards, yeah. Finish the season out, you know. They're playing very good record. This team with the player here is kind of good. Well, not kind of, but it's good. They have no losses. They're technically undefeated, but they have one tie. So yeah, I'm running back on this thing. She was last video when he got some room. He hit the ball again. Yep. Okay. He probably didn't get it. He did. I thought it would be inches. Okay, I the ball again. Dallas defense is kind of good at me. Keep the running back is. What is he throwing his feet? Gonna be a quick pass. Somebody. I'm just trying to get it out there as fast as I can. No, don't get a sack here. Complete first down. Wait, we got ball first? We wasted a lot of clock. Come on. I don't think we did we? No, because I was clicking, right? Yeah, it'll be a quick pass. He's throwing his feet. Once interception. This running back probably gonna touch the ball a lot. Throwing his feet, this man cannot go down. I think I want to rookie here in this thing. Oh, he's wide open. What in the world? But extra point up, and of course it should be good. And then where? Come on, defense. I mean, I know you can't stop this greedy offensive team you're playing. I think 13 yards. What was the last 13? Yes, he got free. That's running back. Easy. Man, big point out real 4 days now. Why does it not feel like that? He gone. Come on, he will make it. Yes! Yeah, wait, for like 4 days ago. Actual video. 23 hours ago. It is crazy. I posted this virtual series in 2 weeks. And came 14 seconds left. We'll see what we got now for you. The catch! And we at least get 3. I didn't trust this, so he will at least get 3. I thought he would get tackled. Okay, we did get ball first. Dang. Nice. I expect it. So at least, like, you know, he catch it. And then I had to call a timeout. Because I thought he would get tackled. Now he broke loose. He probably could have been gone. I just don't want to risk it. QB now how to scramble. He died for the first, and he will get the first by 2 yards. But nice and simple. We're actually going for 2 now. Look at his feet. This man cannot go down. Because I don't trust Dallas make some crazy touchdown. Then we're going to be down by, what, 4? Like 19 seconds left in the game. Like, we're going to be like on like the 19-yard line. I don't want that. So we're going to go for 2. That'll make it, what? It'll be a 25-21 game. If they do score, we down by 3. So yeah. That's not even wasting no clock. Yeah, that's not clock. Third and 18. They're gonna run this. Gotta get the first. Yeah, that game would be on the line. Field goal wouldn't have done us so good. I guess it would have. About no. But if we kick a field goal, we'd be down by one. We'd be down by one. We got out. Yeah. They do score. God. It's fourth. Game online now. Great blue try, boy. First down! Wasting too much clock. That was such a risky play on me. Oh my. There's no way to do. Touchdown. 57 seconds left. Complete opposite thing I want to do. Hey, what is this? Maybe I should just went for two. I mean, hit the field goal, huh? An extra point, yeah. Oh, he got him. Could we low-key cut loss if their kicker was good? And we're gonna kick it deep and it will be good. Off the cross, we won 26-21. We're the first seed. That's a game we cut loss. If their kick would have made that, we would have lost. And now we're versus the Niners. They're 14-2. We beat them really here. They ain't lost yet. We beat them, so 29-18. So yeah, we did. What? Tiebreaker. Rough. We haven't won the rest in a while. But let's go. Our receiver still still injured? Like, bruh. How long was he injured for? The time should be up. We'll cut back. What a play. The QB pass here. I just want to test this man. It's right about. We ain't trusting him. Link? Oh, what a dot. I think she got a bullet, bro. One coverage. Oh, what a dot. Maybe I thought you just a pick. And they were underthrown, so that's it's just a clean dot. Weep. Ooh, weep. That was only 2 yards? I can't be tripping after that. Nah. Not really. Win. It was no win. His accuracy can't tell, but he still got it. And they will go for field goal. Green stuff defense and you'll run the ball. Look at where are you going? Come on, no skills. That should be a dot up 2 round. I guess the original round is next if we win the game. That's in the playoff video. Bro! We can't punt because it's field goal. We have to technically go for it. And look at the diversion. Got him. Technically, yeah, the divisional round, if we win, we'll be the best team in the. Oh, we've won. Technically, we will be, this is the conference, we get that bye week. Okay, so we will get, yep. Okay. It's, look at that dot. My Lucas got died out there. I am celebrating. Good stuff. And they will score. Went for 2 and didn't get it. They're punting. Went for 2 last try. They didn't get it. It's a great defense. Launch it. Throw it away. I don't know what defense. They triple team this man? Like what? Bro, who trying to get on? Oh, we trying to go. Bro, get off my screen. Hold on, what was that? Avatar. God, dang it. Hey, man, wait, why didn't I get one timeout left? When did I use the timeout? What's that? I accidentally did it trying to swipe up. God dang it. The Russian knew they were doing a whole time. I should be gonna try to fit that in there. Oh, that's a. Oh, my. Oh. Are you telling me he wasn't not the best QB? Nah, that's how telling me he's not the best QB. Bro, that pass is just nothing ever. Who's throwing that? Who's even risking it? Probably Mahomes. I like you probably risk it. But still, that's a pass. That's like, bro, the corner is right behind him. Could have made a play. One bad move. The safety's clearly right there. That's able the whole team. Bro, still got it. Hey, safety was right there. Are you gonna try again? He did. Yo. Clean. Hit you out. Boom. That's running up by not even 12. 12, I mean 6. So, a field goal will do us some good here. And we just going to check down to our running back and didn't even mean to do that. We will have to go for it. Like, bro, without a mistake, and we will probably get that. Then we're going to throw it to the receiver. He going to get died. Tight out. Make sure it's good for our game plan. Yeah, because we just going to chuck one down the field. Hope something crazy happen. Man. Time is ticking. We're going to try something now. Dot. Touchdown. Touchdown. That makes the score look this is exactly how it was last time. In the division conference. It's 16-1. 18. Great stuff, team. Oh, he finally back. What did he finished the season with that? About 30 game. He's with the reader under. Yeah. So what we beat them on 29-18. Let me look. Count almost similar. I went 2-15. Seattle went 8-9. Well, I guess we gonna see the bye. I'm gonna go with team. And we will get some upgrades. Strength. Tackling. Okay. Wait a minute. Rookies. Okay, you're on rookies. For him and the kicker. Got the extra points. He missed 1. Field goals. We only attempted 3 field. Oh yeah. That's because they changed it now. I remember extra points and field goals used to be the same thing technically. Now, okay, so 30 extra points, bruh. Okay, he didn't attempt 3 field goals. Made 2 of them. I didn't even need him to kick the ball. Okay. Chiefs, Chargers. She took it down. Okay, New England beat Baltimore by 2. San Francisco versus New England, and San Francisco will take it by 12. Giants, Green Bay take it by 1. Philly, Dallas win by 50-31. It's crazy. New England, Buffalo, bruh. New England, Buffalo wins 58-37. Now it beat Chiefs by 53-33. Oh dang. Our game is up now. Versus, bruh. I'm gonna take a 3 minutes course. But we'll see that the next episode, you know what I'm saying, guys? Of course, like and subscribe. Our subscribers going up. Sadly, I tried to say that on the last video, but of course my voice wasn't being heard. But of course, you know what I'm saying? Don't forget to like and subscribe, cause I mean, why not? We're making good videos over here. Are we not? Catch y'all next one though, you know what I'm saying? Like and subscribe. Of course, like. Come on, guys. Get your friends on here. Bring the whole family. I should first for instance. Yo. I don't care. He getting signed. This man's just sitting there at this point. I had to do it. Get the stadium up for our first playoff game. I had to do it, bro. I had to. They were just sitting there. We get a new Herbert. Eventually, Reader. Yeah, the Reader makes some bad play in the play. If Reader makes some bad play in the playoffs, I don't remember that Seahawks franchise. Like, I don't know if I thought QB's name. But he made that mistake. We got beat by the Eagles. 35-14. Go check that playoffs out. Go. Just gotta scroll. Basically. I mean, he made a mistake. He fumbled for like 3 interceptions. Bro, the game was over and that man fumbled. Yeah, we traded him to the Bears next season. And then we just started Herbert, and Herbert played his whole career. Technically, the rest of the series with us. And technically, Reader is that guy. So if he makes a mistake, low key, Jarrett's here. CJ Jarrett. I'm looking at what the stats was. Is Herbert did it. Easier. I'll get on the C though. Get like a subscribe, you know what I'm saying? And, we have a new receiver, Victor. Receiver 1 at that. As he's benched, I mean, like, you ain't even. But yeah, I catch y'all next, you know what I'm saying? Peace.